In this video, you will learn how easy it is to manage customer information and settings in your Booqable account. Clicking into the Customers page in your Booqable account, you will find the Customer Profile section, which holds all of the profiles of each customer that has ever made an order in your rental store. For those who make a new order online, the information that they enter on the online checkout will create a new customer profile attached to that order. That will present their information that they've placed in the online checkout, any previous orders with your store in the order history panel, and any credit card details stored if it is an existing customer. On each customer's page, you can start by clicking the Send Invite button to invite your customers to create a login to your online checkout. This way, when returning to your online store to place an order in the future, they can log into their profile to make sure the order has been placed under the same profile in your Booqable account. On the online checkout, this will appear as a login and password field, but you can also allow them to continue as guest without making a login if you like. To avoid having to do this manually on every customer's profile, go to your Settings and Checkout Settings under Online Reservations in Booqable to turn on the option for every customer to create a login for themselves for your online checkout, if you so wish. And you can also adjust the settings of this to make it mandatory as well. Another handy tool you can use is to use customer tags to categorize the different groups of the customers you have. By selecting certain customers on the Customers page and hitting the Edit Tags button from the Actions drop-down menu, you can create a new tag for certain customers. For example, labeling all the loyalty customers that you have. You can also assign an existing tag if you've already made one. This way, you can filter the customer profile page down to see who your loyalty customers are. And once you know, you can click into their profiles to add any loyalty benefits, for example, such as a recurring discount to their future orders. You can also do this in bulk by going back into the customer profile page, clicking the filter to bring up all your loyalty customers under the tag, clicking all of the customers, clicking Edit under the Actions drop-down menu, and assigning the recurring discount in bulk. You can do this for recurring discounts, and you can also do this to override any of your deposit settings, so making all loyalty customers exempt from paying any security deposit that you've got set up. And you can even add in a customer tax profile. Before you do that, if you take customers from different countries or states that you have to be charged differently in terms of taxes from one another, you can create a customer tax profile in your Booqable settings, tag the customers with their state or country, and in a bulk setting, you can click that tag to bring up all of those customers again, hit the top checkbox to select them, hit the Actions drop-down menu, hit Edit Customer, and assign that tax profile. This is just another way that you can use different customer settings and tools to save time in Booqable. This bulk action button is also handy for assigning a barcode to certain customers, maybe loyalty customers, for example, by clicking Generate Barcode after selecting all of the customers that you wish from the customer profile page. And once you hit Generate Barcode, you can also choose your QR code or your barcode type. We also always suggest selecting a QR code barcode type. And this will create a barcode for every single one of your selected customers. This will allow you to print out customer loyalty cards on each individual barcode, for example, so customers can scan in-store to bring up the correct profile to make sure the correct discounts are applied to their order. The last step you can take with managing customer profiles is to add any notes or tags on a profile for different reasons, such as a previous incident or a warning sign to not accept orders from them again due to product damage, for example. Now, when you add a customer to an in-store order or you receive a new customer profile through an online order, you can hover your mouse in the order page over the customer's name to see any warning tags straight away and click the Notes panel to view any more important information about the customer. And you're all set. You have now learned how easy it is to manage customer information and settings in your Booqable account.